This segment sponsored by the Better Business Bureau.
Glaser Ebbs has been in our community for over 3 decades, providing different legal services and support to our community. And today I am joined by Robert, their attorney that specializes in disability. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, very good. Thank you for having me.
Yes, well, I'm thrilled to chat with you. First off, Glaser Ebbs is an accredited business through the Better Business Bureau, which is a high-ranking opportunity. And so I want to learn more about Glaser Ebbs and specifically what you specialize in. So start off by just kind of giving us an overview of the law firm.
Yeah, so Glaser Ebbs has been in the community since 1990. We have offices in Fort Wayne, Indiana, Warsaw, Decatur, and Kendallville. Our primary practice areas include personal injury and disability and some bankruptcy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And so you are an attorney there. You've been there for 15 years?
Yep, right out of law school.
Wow, that is incredible. So you are very experienced. I'm talking to the right person to get some legal advice.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so with the disability side of things, how does that work? Like, what does it mean when you support disability claims?
So disability benefits, we represent individuals when they file their claims for disability. It could be a very intimidating process for people, and we try to make things as easy as we can for them. We'll guide them through the process, explain what to expect along the way, and we handle all the paperwork to make things easy for them.
And is this like on-the-job disability? Like if someone gets injured or they have to kind of take a leave from work?
No, that's more of like a workers' compensation or a short-term disability. What we do is Social Security disability. When someone's no longer able to work for at least 12 months, they can file for benefits with the federal government.
Oh, wow. And is there a certain age that you have to be to get those types of benefits?
No particular age. Generally speaking, you have a better chance of getting approved if you're older, but there's no age requirements. Children can file for disability, for example, if they have autism or something like that. And we get clients that are of various ages all across the spectrum.
Yeah, and so what would be just some top advice for those who are considering filing for this? Like, what would be the first step, I guess, in that process?
The first step is to educate yourself with where to go for help. For example, Glaser Ebbs, or you can go online. There's a lot of resources online for information. Biggest things, the best advice I can give to people is to build up your medical file. It's all about what you can prove through your medical documents. So get consistent treatment, do whatever your doctors are telling you to get better, and if you're still not better, it'll put you in the best position to get approved.
And talk about the role that you play as an attorney, specifically on your cases as you are helping people with this process of collecting this paperwork and really fighting on their behalf.
Yeah, so what we do is when clients have questions, they give us a call. When the Social Security office has issues, they give us a call. We handle all the paperwork and just generally guide the clients all through the process. Like I said, it can be a very intimidating process, and clients look to us for help to ease everything for them.
And this claim that's being filed for disability, is it being filed towards the employer or towards the government?
It's toward the federal government, the Social Security Administration. So there's 2 kinds of disability benefits that people could potentially get. One is for people who's paid enough into the system. We all pay Social Security tax into that. The other one is supplemental security income for those people who haven't worked long enough. Anybody can get that one. They've never have to work a day in their life. It's more of like a welfare type disability benefit for disabled people who can't work.
And so does this kind of piggyback on the workers' comp thing? Because if someone's working and they become disabled, they may have to file that first before they go through the process with you. Is that correct or incorrect?
Well, yeah, if someone gets hurt on the job, they would typically file a workers' comp case. And if they could no longer work after that accident, then they could also file for Social Security disability. But separate processes, separate areas of law.
And what would be some, I guess, areas of disability that people don't even think about would qualify for this type of claim?
Learning disabilities could be something that could qualify people. Just general pain. You know, if you're an older individual and you have general aches and pains, you don't need to have a major impairment to qualify. Because of the rules and how they're designed, if you're over 55 especially, you just have to show that you have some conditions that prevent you from doing a heavy job.
Yeah, that is so fascinating. Yeah, well, thank you so much, Robert,
Thank
for coming
you.
in and sharing your advice and your knowledge.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me.
We
Much
appreciate
appreciated.
it. And if you would like more information about Glaser and Ebbs, we'll have their website listed below, and I'll see you after the break.
This segment sponsored by the Better Business Bureau.